Hey, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we teach you how to get leads and sales and grow your business. So while you're here, do make sure you check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Now, in this video, I wanted to make you a video on how to upload thumbnails, because when you have a good thumbnail, it's one of the main reasons that people click onto your video. It's what grabs attention. And so a thumbnail is basically the graphic. You can see one of mine here. So this is a video that I've got going out this evening on my property channel. And so it basically is there to grab someone's attention and to get them to click. Same with this one, right? This one here as well. This one seems to be just an image from there. So it's not really the best. It should have some text over it to grab people's attention, right? So that's what we're looking to do here, is to grab people's attention, to get them to click onto our content and go in there. So let's look at how you actually upload a thumbnail. Now, first off, you want to design one, right? There's two options that I'd suggest. One is going to Fiverr. And so if you go to Fiverr, you can put in YouTube thumbnail. There we go. And this will show you a load of people that design stuff. And so what you should have a look through is what designers you like their style and which one do you feel would fit your channel style. So if it was like beauty, this person here looks pretty good for like a beauty channel, right? What sort of things has this person done? Some food channels there, Tesla channel, tech channel. These look pretty good. I like these, but it's what you like, right? And so you can have a look through and you can see their styles. So that's one place that you can get your thumbnails made. And you can see their reviews and stuff like that. Like this person has got 1,000 orders and they're pretty cheap. They're from £4.30, which is good. And this one's even cheaper because you're getting 3 of them. So you can put 3 different videos that you want them to upload for. So that's one place. Another place is this website called canva.com. And this is a really good tool that can allow you to do your own design. So let's put in YouTube thumbnails here. Now they've got loads of templates, so you can pick one of these. I like that one, that looks good. So you click on here, and then you can type in whatever you want. So if I had that, I'd have to make that font a little bit smaller. There we go. Cool, so then you can change this image and this guy if you wanted to take that out and put one of you. Very, very straightforward, and that's another option. And look, you can use whatever template you want, right? And so Canva is really, really good, and that will help you stand out as well. So do try those two. So once you've got your thumb, then you need to upload a video. So you go up to this little magic bit up here. This is one way that you can do this. And then in a second, thinking about it, we'll be able to upload a video. So if we select files, okay, let's use this video. I've already got this one up here, but we can put this one up again. So this is starting to upload, and now you're in where you start putting your description and your tags and stuff like that. And look, you can upload a thumbnail here. So what you do is you buy it from Fiverr, or you're going to buy it or make one from Canva, or maybe you've got an in-house graphic designer. I don't know, whatever, you can get it done. And then you'll just search here and it will find it on your computer, right? So if you click on there, that's going to open up your computer, and then you can find the file. Let's try coming out of this. Cancel this. Cancel this. Okay, it's going to take a second. Let's try open another tab. So we go to YouTube. And then when you get to YouTube, you can go to your YouTube Studio. And I'll show you how to get to that. Any second now, we'll be there. I've pressed everything too many times. So up here, let's try and get the bandwidth back by killing that. Cool. So if you go to the top corner, go to YouTube Studio over here. Now if you go to your content that you've put out on here, and then you can edit any of your videos, right? So you can edit any of your videos if you had one without. Mine have already got thumbnails, but just imagine this one didn't. So you click on here, and this takes you back to this page, which is very similar to the upload page. And it's going to be here. It's going to be here, upload thumbnail. Or you can pick like a static image from your video, right? So it will take a freeze from that. But it's better to make a text one because that's going to get more attention and get a good click-through rate. So that's how you're going to upload your thumbnail. It's fairly straightforward. So when you're uploading the video, there's the section to do that. The other way is that you can edit the video from YouTube Studio once you've got that done as well. So that's two options, two places to get your thumbnails done. One is on Fiverr, and the second one is to just do it yourself in Canva. That's how you do it. Make sure you focus on making good thumbnails because they're what's going to get you the clicks and the traffic to your site. So I hope you found this useful. Do comment below with any questions. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Go and check out all my other YouTube tips and tutorials on growing a channel and taking your business to the next level. That's it from me. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.